Together we can do better. This is our lives. We better together. Let's heal. With God on our side, we shall win. Let's heal. Love conquers all. I love you.
Greetings, Lotshani Dumelang. Welcome back to Let's Heal Together with myself, Mama Puma. Thank you again to my community, to my subscribers, to my OGs. Thank you for staying. The new ones, welcome home. Where were you all the time? Singapore, we are in the healing community. We make sure that we heal. We make sure that we bring the relevant topic. We make sure that we bring topic that we can all relate to. Right, today we have someone that all women at home can relate with. She says, "Amaqiniso ami ngewami ngedwa," meaning her truth, it's only her truth. Akekho zofakaza, akekho zo-eda. Even though you were part of her journey, you can't relate her truth. But there's the truth and there's a lie and there's what? There's a truth. No, there's my side. There's your side and there's the truth. Right. So today we are here for the truth. Asizweni amaqiniso kaSaneli. Hello, sisi kunjani?
Sanibona sisi, siyabonga ukusimema, siyaphila njani nina?
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Phew. I heard the other time befana sihlangane unfortunately and our brother passed. Ngcwabe kahle mara.
Cha singcwabe kahle, siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Obenathi through the journey ebeyinzima kakhulu. And yeah, losing the loved one after 26 years of not losing a family member. So yeah, but siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu sifihle kahle.
Siyabonga sithando sami.
Yes.
So sichasele kancane ukuthi who is Saneli? Ubani uSaneli? What a beautiful woman that is sitting in front of us. Tshela abantu bami basekhaya ukuthi who is this beautiful woman?
Okay, uSaneli amagama akhe asithi ngisho amagama mase-ID. Ngiwusebenzile Nelisiwe Gumede. Ngizonichazela futhi ukuthi lamagama eza kanjani. Usebenzile, okay, I'm the only girl ozalwa nabobhuti abayi-7. Yimi intombazane ngedwa and yimi i-last born. Kumama uMantshangase Gumede, uSarafina nobaba wami uGumede ngimbize ngegama ke, nabo who are late. Usebenzile uze ngokuthi umama nobaba bebelokhu bazama thola umntwana oyintombazane up until baba nabantwana abayi-8. Then when I was born, ubaba wathi usebenzile wafika. And then umama wathi nguNelisiwe. And then my brothers, they said, no, sonke Sanelisiwe, so nguSanelisiwe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm a mother of 4 children, 3 beautiful girls and 1 handsome boy. Umeloguhle, who is living with autism. Siyothinta leyo futhi ngesinye isikhathi. Yes.
Okay, that's brief, but it gives us a lot, and you said a lot. So when everyone was so satisfied, ubaba wathi and the brothers said Sanelisiwe sonke, how was growing up with 7 boys?
7 brothers.
And you were the only rose among the thorns.
Yes.
How was that growing up?
Okay, kunye ngikhohliwe mangizichaza, ngikhohliwe ukuthi ngumntwana kaNkulunkulu osindisiwe omthanda kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Amen. Growing up, I have only good memories because, like I said, ukuthi I was the only girl, I'm the last born, ngilo umntwana olindelwe by everybody. Esontweni bangiqamba ukuthi ulindeliwe, because I was the prayer request yakhe every Thursday mehlangene nomama.
Makes sense.
Yes, so bathi ngulindeliwe. So growing up nabantu nabobhuti abayi-7, on top of that there were people abebahlala nje ekhaya. Kusukela kudala ke in our family kuthiwa nje there were people that will just come and stay ekhaya and kube the part of the family. So ngikhule nami ke kunjalo, ngakhula kamnandi ubhuti bonke bayanginakekela, but the the first 2 bese besebenza, and then sihlala nabanye and nalaba abanye abahlala ekhaya. So bekumnandi ngitreatwa njenge-princess. Makuvuke kuyiwe esikoleni, ngivuka amanzi asebekiwe, iy'ngubo sezi-ayiniwe, bengibizwa ngengane. Kukhona omunye ubhuti oyehlala ekhaya, ngesiZulu bathi ihlala, umuntu nje obesanda wafika wahlala. Ngiyakhumbula nje uVusi kwakuwakaNgcobo, wayengiqoqosha njalo engise esikoleni. And esikoleni was very far, bekukude. So angiqoqosha sihamba ey'ntabeni zasekhaya. Growing up was very nice. Ubaba bekasebenza, abuye ngama-Fridays. And then makwama-Fridays ngiyazi ukuthi Saturdays, abuye ngama-Saturdays ngabo-11 bengizohlala next to the house, ebeyisekhoneni la azoqhamukela khona makaqhamuka. And then mangimbona-ke, and then ngiyagijima sengiyomhlangabeza. And then uzothi efika nje uzobazi yonke into ukuthi kunenkomezele, ubani wenzeni, ubani ushaya omunye nje, And then he'll bring me ama-aphula, golden delicious aphula nje angidli because ngayidla kakhulu. And then Maries and juicy Tropica and those sweet ezinoshukela. But yeah, that's me growing up. Oh, and then my mom bekathunga. So mina bengingagqoki ingubo zasesitolo. Uma wami bekangithungela iy'ngubo zakhe, angidesignela zona like mama that has always been waiting for a baby girl.
So you were wearing custom made
clothes.
Wow. And at the same time you were the daily teta yasekhaya reporting for ubaba makavela nje wena. So
Yes.
so now yonke information ukuthi lalela baba, this and this has happened.
Kunenkomezele, imbuzi leya enyebe ishaya isinyawo, lapha kabani bani kufa inkomo ngasiphi inyama. So nje I was that child,
A bubbly child.
but kodwa-ke having said that, uma was very strict because bangithole sebebadala, bebadala kakhulu. Uma was in her early 50s. As much as bengiyiqanda, but nje she was very strict. And then she would say nilisiwe eshayana ke, but what I loved was that mangishaya uzongishaya ngishaya, and then she will explain ukuthi why ngokushaya. And then she will say Nelisiwe ngizofa ngizokushiya nabantu, and then mase ngikushiya nabantu you will behave like this. And then people will say manje angasibe angayidiscipline lengane because kuphela kwayo. So ngifuna ukukushaya ukhale abantu bezwe ukuthi lengane yahlula, but not ukuthi bekuyiqanda. Yes, but I was iqanda ke. Yes.
Oh, wow, that's nice. So now, Saneli, you know, one day I'm going up lapha ngiyacheka and ngihlangana nalo sesi uthi amaqiniso wami awami kuphela.
Awami ngedwa.
Awami ngedwa. Yes, your truth is yours alone.
Yes.
So what is that truth that we are going to talk about la estudio namhlanje?
So, I started that page. I remember kahle. It was 15 December 2015. It was at night, around 8:30. And then I saw a gap. Ukuthi everybody around that time, they were making content. It's either it was comedy, maybe intshumayelo, but kakhulukazi it was comedy. And then I had this
Desire.
a vision, or a desire.
Yeah.
Okay, let me create a page where I'll be talking about marriage, okay? Because at the time bengishadile, nomunye ubhuti wangala eLimpopo, nkosi yami, umuntu wasemzini. So I was like, let me create a page where we will be discussing marital issues, and then where I'll be giving advices. But back then, my advices were theory, were things, I was talking things that engadlulanga kuzo, or that were my views. Hence, I was saying, amaqiniso ami awami ngedwa. You can take zikusebenzele or you can leave, but mina some of them I've applied them in my live and then zangisebenzela. So if you want now ungathatha kuba amaqiniso akho. Yeah, that's how the page was created.
Yeah, and that page, it's huge. I normally see your live. You always go live, and sonke sila sifuna ukuzwa la maqiniso lawo ekhulunywa ngawo ukuthi what's happening la, asizwe namaqiniso, because I think you do advise, and as we are saying ukuthi umuntu uthatha lokho kumsebenzelayo or umuntu uyeka lokho okungeke kumsebenzele. So now ngikuzwa uthi you were married. So you're no longer married now.
Yes.
How did that kuze kanjani lokho?
So I got married in 2010. Kuyi honeymoon.
Honeymoon stay.
Mangithi honeymoon. Up until 2018. Wela kwaqala khona ke ukuthi ngibona izinto disturb. Leza onyakazisa kakhulu umshado. Okuyizinto extramarital affairs. Yeah, so we were married for like almost 8 years.
8 years.
Kumnandi ngempela, and ngiphethwe kahle, ngiqanda le Grootman. So I don't know ukuthi kwajikaphi, or it was a stage. I think it was a stage because at some stage kwadlula, kwaphinda kwabuyela back to normal. But ke 2023, that's where istimela sahlukana nekhanda khona, because of the same thing again.
Okay, extramural. Uthi lo lokuchitha kuphinde kwa resurface again in the marriage.
And when it's resurface, it takes you back, because when you are married, you find izinto ezinjalo, because it mayenzeka first time, because I was this person ngempela ongakaze abone lutho, ongakaze ahlushwe ngalutho, everything I was transparent nje, so it got me to a severe depression. So, and then I was on medication, and when you're on medication, some of the things azizokwenzeka as indlela ebekujwayele ngayo zasekamereni, engakholwa ke kodwa ukuthi it was that, because 2018, 2019, 2020 I kwaqala ngathi kuba ngcono. 2021 izinto were back to normal. 2022, 2023 wabuyela kwaba, and then you discover things like that, and it takes you back to, it triggers you back to into depression.
Okay, but before we I think siqale emuva, let's start back.
Yeah.
Sitshele ngalo mshado lo. I hear you say you were treated as a princess that you are.
Yes.
So now, from being treated like a princess to being lahlukana khona istimela nenhloko, take us there gradually. What happened? Give us the layers that surrounded this marriage until the last stage.
Okay, so I didn't say that I'm from KwaZulu-Natal. So I'm from KwaZulu-Natal, and then jokingly we'll have conversations like, and then I'll be like, no, mawufuna itembu, mina itembu ngiyasazi, sikhona ekhaya, and but it will have to be somebody oyo approve him. Engiyom-interview mina ngim-approve, because angifuni ungilandele umuntu engize ngikwazi ukuhlala naye.
So who's joking? Is it your husband?
It's him, yeah.
Okay.
Who say
out of
that.
the blue.
Out of the blue.
Okay.
Yeah, so you see, that's when I realized, and also want to give women advice ukuthi ezinye izinto makukhulunywa ngazo ziyabanjwa in a spiritual realm. Izinto kufanele nje kungajokwa ngazo, because I believe ukuthi me even entertaining that was a mistake. Yeah. So
sorry, hence they say power in the tongue. So what we
Yes,
say
with your
will,
mouth,
will literally
it will come
manifest.
to pass.
Okay,
Yes.
I hear you.
So, and then I discovered ke ukuthi hayi ubhuti sekunomunye umuntu abonana naye out of the blue nje. And then when
Discover kanjani?
discover ngokuthi wayedlala igolf every Sunday without fail. Every Sunday without fail. And I've made I have made peace with that. Good, every Sunday we are not with him up until late. But it got to a point where I was a bit concerned and uncomfortable. And then one day, I was pregnant with my that's how I discovered I was pregnant with my last born, and then he's there, organized the baby shower, everything is fine. Kumnandi, and then he was taking pictures with his phone, and like I said to Guti, there was nothing ABET. Watch out, uvula amehlo.
Anything is suspicious.
Yeah. So, and then I'm like, in the evening when I'm a guest assembly, I'm like, can you please send me the pictures that you took as a baby shower? And then he gave me his phone, and then I'm going through the pictures, sending to myself, and then there comes a message, pop up the WhatsApp message on the screen. I'm not a person or jampisayo, even though benga suspect lutho. But when I saw that WhatsApp message and the name of the woman and the emoji hearts, I kept my cool, and then now I went to
the message.
Now I stopped sending pictures there, but I was continuing to say, oh, this is nice. But they say I was now on the WhatsApp conversation. Yeah. So I was scrolling, and I'm like, it's now September because umntwana watholakala October. This is now September. So when I go back, I can see this conversation starts good April. Then I was like, okay, let me not let me send the pictures and then give it to him. Okay. But now sengiyazi ukuthi okay, there is this name semqambi igama sithi uNokwanda. So there's now uNokwanda in the pictures, and I can see the even though I was not reading, but I could see the emojis ukuthi cha kuna relationship nje. Relationship nje le. Yes. And mina ex-husband wami beku umuntu waye umsebenzi wathi uyasebenza. And then now because akafuna ukuhlala in the traffic, so he's gonna work from home uzosebenza yena. But now ubesekuvuka every day without fail, useka e-office naleyo futhi okay mase ngihlanganisa 1 or 2, I'm like okay, kunento off la khona into off. And then I started digging. Mina I think I was supposed to be a private investigator, because
some of us can relate, yeah.
I was supposed to be a private investigator. So now I started digging. Who is this Nokwanda? And then when he was not there on Sundays, then I went through his laptop bag, and then I discovered this is Nokwanda. uNokwanda ushadile, uNokwanda unabantwana, and uNokwanda is divorcing uhusband wakhe encedwa ummeli wala endlini.
Yo. So the relationship is serious to lapho to that extent.
Yes. Uncedwa ummeli wala ekhaya. Nami ngiyamaza ngithi ummeli. So I'm like, yebo kusho ukuthi nokukhokhelwa phela uzokhokhelwa la. And then I went through to Facebook, ngibheka leli gama lika Nokwanda now. Then I found the name, I found Nokwanda. When you go through Facebook, and then I pick up ukuthi ayibolela khandi libhekele ngiyalazi noma ngabe kuthiwani uye I find out again ukuthi cha uye, even the car naye noma ebhekile, but I could see ukuthi naye futhi there was no way ukuthi wengaphika, because uNokwanda bekathathe i-selfie and then the car was behind her, and Yeah, that's how I found out. But the mistake that I did that day, I clicked by mistake a like. So when now he came back, which would maybe no wonder maga checker my comments on her, then she saw, because now she knew me. Yeah. And she was also my follower on my page. So and then lo brothers uyafika ekhaya nje uyileyo nto
off.
smile, no, not off, esmilayo nje, because phela uyazi ukuthi we have talked about this thing Thembu, and so uzofuna ukungizwa ukuthi ngithini. And then he says to me, so kunjani? Ngithi ngiyaphila. So athi, is there by any chance, no, siyaxoxa nje, athi, is there any chance ukuthi when you're going through Facebook ukhona ufuna ungitshela ngithi fana nani? Akazi lutho mina Facebook. Ukhona umuntu nje oke walike isithombe sakhe, ngithi nix, angazi ukhuluma ngani. Khona umuntu athe ngilike isithombe sakhe. No, angazi, but this conversation yaphela kanjani, but yeah, I think, I didn't, I phela the day, and then washo ukuthi, no, there is a lady esidlala naye golf uthi like isithombe sakhe, and I was like, okay, ngoba open ukukhuluma ngale ndaba, let's just talk about it. Ukuthi kanti ubani lo, usisi lo. And yeah, that's when indaba i-conversation Thembu iqale khona ukuthi, no, this lady unokwanda ke velungile, uyakwazi, uyakuhlonipha, and so bengifuna ukumenza unkosikazi, ngikhuluma indaba Thembu. Cha, kodwa indaba Thembu phela ukazi uyikhulume wena nje masihlangana, because bekumzalwane nje umzalwane indaba Thembu awukazi uyikhuluma.
Siqala phi manje?
And he was previously married.
Okay.
But indaba Thembu wena awuzange uyikhuluma. Okay, so it's okay, unokwanda lo ngifuna ukumbona ke, but ke that's when all hell broke loose, because I was shocked, I was angry, I felt betrayed, and yeah, and then kwa arrange a meeting. No, before arrange a meeting, because I was pregnant, then I had emergency Caesar. Then on the day where I went to theater, he was there taking pictures as usual. And then I wake up, I'm like, okay, can I please have the pictures? Can I see the pictures that you took? But in my mind, nginayo ukuthi ngizongena futhi ngiyocheck ukuthi unokwanda nigcine phi naye. Then I go to the pictures, and then how futhi ngisathi I'm going through the pictures, nangu futhi unokwanda uTextile. Athi, hi, I hope yonke into ihambe kahle. When you leave from esibhedlela, please pass by. Hayibo. Cisho ngasho igama.
Hazini urechtele usisi. Yes.
I was like, hayibo. Ngisesibhedlela mina ngilelela. Nedishi nani wena
wenza pass by.
Yeah, hawu cha, mamncane kodwa cha unesibindi. Okay, yeah. And then now ngiyabona ukuthi, no, this relationship is fully. And then when I go back, futhi ngiyabona ukuthi one of the gifts ebezikhona kuma present wami zibuya kumamncane. Mamncane bakumamncane, yes, but wayemdala ibile. Wayemdala yeah, wayilingana nayo husband. Mina, yeah,
manje umamncane kanjani?
Umamncane phela because ufike emuva, but ke yeah, wayemdala. So I was like, abuti noma bathini ke, angike mina ngivumele ungihlaze, because number one, mawuthatha isithembu, you have to have a reason ukuthi why ufuna ukuthatha isithembu. Anginankinga ke futhi mina ngingahlala esithenjini, but the problem yami is that when you are not a candidate man to have isithembu, because if I agree ukuthi you must have isithembu, kusho ukuthi ngizobe ngithi mina I must be miserable for the rest of my life, because I have seen you kule period nje sengiyazi lento ukuthi how you behave. So so you are not number 4, lo muntu omthatha useka mdala, una 43 44. Mawuthatha isithembu, fanele uwazi ukuthi uthatha isithembu for umuntu ufuna uba ney'ngane ey'ningi, ufuna ukwenzani, ufuna ukuvusa umuzi, ufuna ukwenzani. So awukwazi ukuthatha umuntu oney'ngane eziwu-3, enye ina-21, omunye una 16, omunye iy'ngane ezindala even kwezami. So you can't. That's when ke Clash of the Choirs yaqala khona ke kwaliwa bekukubi nje, and I became psycho. And yeah, I'm happy ukuthi that's how I behaved, because I believe ukuthi when you go through something like that, you must do anything ezokwenza ukuthi ulale at night, ezokwenza ukuthi you must feel good ukuthi yeah, but noma bangaba olavidavi bayazi ukuthi ngikhona, and bayazi ukuthi I can appear noma kuphi ngikhoze isixakaxaka, and bevele bengi-appeara noma kuphi.
Ngiyahleka yazi.
Ngi-appeara noma kuphi, ngifike ngikhoze i-drama, and I've got nothing to lose phela. Yeah. So yeah.
Yo.
It happened ke kanjalo, waze usisi waya e-court ufuna protection order, because bese ngimstalker lokhu kwangempela ukuthi uhlala kuphi. I managed to get ukuthi uhlala kuphi. I got the numbers from the ex-husband or the husband ababadivorce naye. Mangifuna ukuya khona bekangiphi code. I was a serious stalker. But ngazi ukuthi I'm not gonna do anything, but I'm just nje
ufuna ukumenza miserable nje.
Yes.
Phew, but that sounds dangerous, Annie.
Yeah, no, the one day he came to drop her at the gate, and I was waiting by the third floor. She was staying at second floor. Then I was wearing a cap, and it was at night. Hlangane naye kanje angangiboni, then ngimsendele message ukuthi wena uze wazi
You made her miserable.
uze wazi ukuthi mina nginencwadi zami zokuhlanya, ngaconfirm udokotela ukuthi ngisayikho. So wena nje njengoba ukhuphuka laba ngama-steps bengihlangana lo hlangane naye yimi. So that's when, and also ngamtshela ukuthi nabantwana bakho sengiyabazi ukuthi bafunda phi. That's when she went to court, and then when we went to court, ubrothers akazange aphelezele umuntu. To show ukuthi le ndaba serious, ukuthi maybe kushuthi he can't choose. Okay, then we went, and then it was our 10, we called in, and then and masingena lapha, I stood in front of the door. Ngathi baba egameni lika Jesu khuluma, hlale endebeni zami, khulume wena, because mina ngizobheda.
That you now praying.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Khuluma endebeni zami, lo sisi whatever that she says menze as a contradict le cala alimlahle. Okay, ngiphethe yonke into, ngiphethe ama pictures, ngiphethe medication yami, ngiphethe script ukuthi ngizobonisa ujaji ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ngihlanya nje imkhuba yakhe. Ngiphethe namaphepha ukuthi yena married and so masifike enkantolo ujaji asimise ukuthi mangapha mangalelwa ngapha. And then ujaji ke uyakhuluma ke, okay, who is the plaintiff here? Who is the defendant? Ngathi nje ngilo ngithi baba mvala umlomo, bhala umlomo, angakhuluma, makathi uyakhuluma abhede as yeah. And then makathi uyaqala ukukhuluma, angize ngiphakamise isandla mina ngithi ngicela bandla ozongitolikela ngesizulu, so that because isingisi ngizoze ngikhuluma into ezingekho, so can I have utolika? And then ngasho ukuthi hayi yimi nommangalelwa, so I'm not sure ukuthi why I'm here. And usisi uye ungilethe enkantolo now. I'm surprised when she's not saying anything. And then the judge bekumama omlungu bophipondo likhulu la blonde athi, so it's about a man, isn't it? Athi usisi ngithi mina yes, and that man is my husband. Athi okay, so what happened? Usisi akakhuluma ngithi okay, ithi mina ngichaze because manje usekathule kane uyongithela. So wena judge manje lo sisi ujola nendoda yami and mina ngaze ngaphathwa i-depression nje nazi incwadi zami zakadokotela ngihlala esibhedlela ngaboshwa njengohlanya because ngempela I was very sick because of this relationship and nanka namaphilisi ami engiwaphuzayo because I can't sleep without drinking medication ngawalahlela amaningi nazi iy'thombe zabo bayenza yonke lento. So yeah, I'm here and whatever that she wrote there ukuthi ngiyamstalker ngiyenza all these things, yes I am stalking her because ngempela angithathi kahle, I'm not okay. And the judge wambuza ke ukuthi so Sisi, is that what she's saying is true? Is it? Yes. So athi ujaji. So uyini with her husband? I don't know. He's my friend. He's your friend. Okay. What do you do with him? I don't know. We go out for lunch and dinner. And then Ari, have you ever kissed her husband? And she said yes. Have you ever had sex with her husband? I don't know. The judge said you are lying. And then she turned and looked at me and said, ma'am, you said you are a psychiatric person. Yes. Okay, wonke amacala abuya emidrand azangala kimi. Wena usile nalabo sisi laba basenkantolo. Bathi wena usile ushiya yakhe indoda because
ufuna ukuyobhiliza ngayo next door.
Ushiya yakhe indoda ekushadile. Nawe ufuna ukuyoba umfazi omncane la. Athi ujaji maniphuma la. Umshaye. Uzoza nencwadi yakhe ufakazi ukuthi ubususu wokugula and then icala lizobuya la dismiss, case dismiss, hamba la wasting my time.
Wathi umgile
Wathi uma wehla la umdonore hure and then icala la lena uzobuya la le assault ngizothola mina la enkantolo. Yeah, ngizofika ngithi dismiss, ngizofika nencwadi yakho ngithi zokuthi wena uyagula. Yes, and ugula because of this relationship.
No, Manpuma, what happened?
Maspuma, it was raining. I remember that day it was raining. And then Maspuma, ngiyamlandela vele ngithi ya uzwile mina nawe ngisazokupa hayi kancane namaqakala amakhulu ngathi uphethwe iBP. Suka namabela amangaka hayi suka wena noma bathi asifuna ukubody shame umuntu ngathi delo ngibonela wena sebathi nje ngiyaguquguqulwana sewuphezulu ukuthi amenza kanjani umyeni wami amakeru ngisiza ungangibulalela indoda wena ngalo size 44 DD wakho. Like I say ukuthi ngisho noma yini efika engqondweni yami so that nje ngizolala at night.
Yes. Just to give yourself
ukuthi ngimtshelile and lonto bekangisaba but amdala kunami ngithi wena awena ungazi kahle wena and mase ngihlulekile ngayo yonke ekhaya unezangoma ubhuti bami banama 3,300 kunobhuti wami ubhuti umncongo nama 3,300 la ekhanda ngizokwenza into ongakazi uyibona. Okay, masiphuma enkantolo. Okay, ngiye kwi-parking dumisa imoto mangithi ngiyaphuma outside the gate nangu yanethi imvula phethe isambulala sakhe esincane isikhwama siyanetha ngaphandle ngithi gibela ngoba siyemidrain so gibela sa agibela ngithi yazini abe le moto ngiyishaya ngibhekise eRustenburg ngifike ngimehlise khona e-highway ngibuye and then la endleleni masuka eRandburg Court ayikho into engayishonga ayikho mhlawumbe engamthukanga ngayo
uthulile.
Uthulile ngathi masingena kuWilliam Nicole noSinstrato bathi William Nicole from Randburg qhamuke i-truck ngithi mangayifaka le truck ngiyifake la ngakuwe uzathini sile then I guess sahamba sasifike ngamdrop endlini but nje there was a lot of drama engimenzele yona at this one point ngibafice behlele eNandosi mina ngisakhishwa bahlele eNandosi so yena uhleli yabona itulo zaNandosi also uhleli ngale khoneni then ngiyangena because indawo zabo because ihlala limited it's either base World of Golf you practice law it's either base shopping center nyana or but nje around lapho then ngafika naba bahleli lapha ngangena ngahlala ngakusisi ngamvalela ngale khoneni thatha iplate lakhe I started eating but phela mina ngisakhishwa wena. So I was doing yonke into ewubuhlanya nokudelela that you can think of.
Yeah, no, I don't know what to say, but you know what? Ama-side chick ayahlupha, Shem.
And
Those
bekangafuni
people,
ngimbize nge-side
she
chick.
was a side
Ngithi
chick.
ngithi uyiyo i-side chick endala ngisho nakimi.
Oshiya wakho umshado, ufuna ukuyobhidliza omunye umshado.
Ihlazo, yabona nje mina ngingivume lento le. Uthi mase sisemcimbini ke, kuzothiwa akusukume umamncane. Kusukume wena nje ukuba umfazi omngaka. Kuthiwa kusukume umamkhulu, kusukume mina. Yayibona lento iyaphambana? Hayi ungazongihlolela. So yeah.
Yo. But now the mental issue, when did it start? Ivele icale ile nkinga le ohlangabezana nayo emshadweni. Njengoba uze namapilisi and all of that ukhombisa the judge.
I-mental health yami iqale ngo-2015 like I've said ukuthi I've got umntwana one-autism. Engatholi isikole, but to cut the long story short, but it was not something enjalo. But this severe one iqale ngo-2018 when I found out all these things, because ngempela I was not ready. I've never seen anything enekhaya bamthanda. But now when I look back ngiyabona ukuthi yo we kusho ukuthi yazi bengishade ne-narcissist, because out there ubeka ekhaya nje baze basho ukuthi yo mawungahlukana nalo mkhwenyana kobe kuwuhlanyawo, because siyakwazi ukuthi wena uyahlanya unekhanda elidelelayo lo mkhwenyana ulungekabi. But at that point, that's when I became to realize ukuthi all along bengihlala nomuntu onama traits and narcissistic behavior. When I was looking back, I remember there will be an argument and then he will turn that argument ibe ngami. Even this cheating one, mase ngimconfronta ngayo, it was like, yeah, mina ngifuna ukuthatha umfazi wesibili ngoba wena awuzwani nabantu basekhaya. Hayibo. Awuzwani nefamily yakho. Ifamily yakho ngibathanda kangaka, kuyibo abangangifuni because i-tribalism ukuthi mina I'm from KZN, I'm Zulu. What do you mean? And ifamily yakho is abantu who are very difficult when self you can't deal nabo. Wena isizathu, not that one.
So everything has to be about you.
Yeah, everything it tend to be my fault. Kanjani ngajola wena kubuye manje kuzoba inkinga yami. No. And
so the side chick bekamsuthu afana naye.
Beka umsuthu.
Also he thought ukuthi makaya, and then maybe ekhaya baza. Now that's his explanation.
But which was also not the case, because he had 4 brothers. Umamkhulu the both mamkhulus were Tsongas, and then I was Zulu, and then there's this one who was Swati.
So vele this guys bashadile ngaphandla. I see
Yes. So it was just that thing yokuthi uqasha ngesithupha nje, he wants something to blame on me ukuthi I'm the reason. I'm like ngeke lutho. Nix ngiyasihlangula. And then that's when I started realizing ukuthi all along ngiyazi bengihlala nomuntu oyi-narcissist.
So now le relationship iyaphela yaka mamkhulu bamncane omkhulu iyaphela.
Yes.
And then everything now goes back to normal.
Yes.
Okay. So mama seseyibuyele ku normal, how does now he start again ukuyocala lo munye imhlolo yama cheating futhi?
So everything goes back to normal. 2021 kwaba ngcono, 2022, 2023 without osori, but nje I can see ukuthi no, we are fine.
Mara wahlukana with that other one.
Yes.
Wahlukana kwaphela.
Yes. Okay. I even saw an email unokwanda bhalile ukuthi also there was an SMS, WhatsApp that was saying, I think it sounded like she was pregnant, she had a miscarriage. And then so we are phela ke leyo relationship. Embhalele email ukuthi, so you just left me like that, and I'm glad that you chose your wife. What we were doing was not right. Good luck and what.
Okay, bekayibhalele uhabi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
So, and then 2023, okay, Mina and I, we share a birthday.
Okay.
We were born on the 4th of August. He was born 1979. I was born in 1984. And then 2023, athi, siya Dubai. Yelele. Hayi ngibona ukuthi yazi manje umuntu wami is back by popular demand. Sihambe ke on the 1st of August siya eDubai. Nangapha umsebenzi umuntu wamathenda, he will call me and say, Magumede, can you please pray? We are going to this tender briefing. Can you please pray? We are going to they selected us. Can you please pray? We are going to sign. So it was So now the tenders ke now ziyatenderisha nje use ubhuti nje bhuti Madlisa hamba ngama Range Rover and Porsche and okay, then we went to Dubai. Kwaba mnandi. Then we came back, I think on the 8th or 11th, I can't remember. And then we decide ukuthi sizokwenzela umntwana wethu umsebenzi ukuthi usekakhulile sengene estagini sokuba woman. Then we went kubo. Angaze ngikule kanje.
Kubo kuphi konje
eLimpopo elikhalala. Ukube ukudla engakudla that day kwangaphekwa ngoyena. Ngangiyothi bangidlisile. Angikaze ngigule kanje. So that's when izinto went south.
Okay.
On after that trip. Angisho ukuthi ngiyabanuka. I'm not saying they did anything, but ukugula engakugula lapho ngingazi ukuthi ngiphethwe yini, ngijuluka, ngisha, kungathi nginesilumo, but I don't know. And then I had to drive coming back, but izinto zaqala ukumoshakala sibuya from that function. And then I get a call from this lady in Maziyo Ilphalala. So now when I get uze nje ngapha uzovakasha. You know, mina I made a conscious decision ukuthi I'm not gonna come lapho kulelo flat because like that's where bekajolela khona nomamkhulu. Mamncane mamkhulu. So I'm not going to sleep in the same bed bekalala khona nabanye abantu. So ngathatha decision ukuthi I'm not
where is the flat?
Visit Iliphalale.
Okay.
La semenzela khona. And then athi lo ntombazana athi kodwa ubokuvele. Because manje athi no le ndaba ngizoyisho nje pha ukuthi no now sekukhona uMrs Malaji nje esesimazi la osehlala phambili ezimotweni and I didn't want to confront him ngale. That's another shock ukuthi how dude singabuya eDubai ngicabanga ukuthi kumnandi wena futhi wathi eDubai masisuka la siyohlukaniswa yithuna. Now what is this? But ke ngayenza njengasekuqaleni no confrontation, ngaqala ezam futhi ze PI. But now ifoni yakhe bese ilokhwa nama password amaningi. I was like, okay, the only way to find out is for me to go to Liphalale, is to follow him to Liphalale in Limpopo, which I did. And then I did, and then when I got there, Abeko. So Ilphalale is such a small place. So ngibuze this lady ukuthi, so where can I get them? I went to the flat Abeko. Ngibuze, so where can we get them? Athi we are showing indawo zakhona zobumnandi ukuthi if awathola uyela, if awathola definitely bala. Futhi ngiye, I had a short hair. Ngiye, and then mangifika imoto zabo zipaka la phambili ama VIP because shoot ama regular customer or ilaba bathenga kakhulu. Abangithi ngiyafika nje kwi-parking naba abafana bayi-2 babambe umunye bayomngenisa emontweni yabo. Ngithi okay, kwavesane kwaba easy kakhulu ke. I'm going to follow these boys ukuthi baya kuphi. That's when ngizobona ukuthi
they can lead you.
Yeah. Then I followed, and then definitely Nampaya with his people in Baziyo. Then I stood there for like 30 to 45 minutes because I couldn't pick up ukuthi ubani. So I wanted to be sure ukuthi ubani okabani. And then then I was standing there. Then I saw ukuthi okay ubani okabani, and that's when I went to him. Hi, okay, but bekudlala ingoma ke, so he was standing against the wall. So mina ngiyachaywa la phambi kwakhe, you know, a shock of seeing somebody
that
in a place, in a place where you are not expecting him. And now I'm wearing a wig. Wazi short hair. Ngigqoke i wig engaka efika la emqolo. So ingoma iyadlala ula emva kwami. Ngimuthi Jeb. Like avula amehlo ukuthi, and then ngiphinde ngibhekele ngimuthi Jeb. Like guys, I keep a it's why did it Jeb. Ngajika ngeke ngambheka ngithi hi. Angibambe lapho.
Boy traumatized a little
bit. How are you? I'm so glad you are here. Asambe sikhulumile ngaphandle. Now sengiyabona ukuthi okay. Situation yabe yaba tense. So business partner wakhe Magomede uphuzani ngithi angiphuzi lutho mina. Hambe yabuye nebhakede le Astropes mina. Astropes hayi. Sengayiphuza ngalibamba phela ibhodlela nami bonakala but mina ngiphuza icoke. And then he gave me the house keys ukuthi can you please go to the house ungimele khona. Ngirayibo angizange endlini ngize kuwe. No, now you're going to make things bad for me. Look, what things? And then I asuke angene emotweni. This thing gay yobu narcissist ukuthi umuntu athi onile aqede akube uyena ophakamayo. Ngitha ke ngiyakujaha ke. Kusho ukuthi hamba nge-Range Rover, mina ngihamba ngemoto encane, ngimiyeke. Ngizothi ngibuyele lapha esportini kuzovalwa. Kuzofanele ukuthi aphume uNontombi lo. Ngizomlandela ngibone ukuthi uhlala kuphi. Engiyoqala ukushisela impombo manje. Hayi. Kuhlale kucaca ukuthi ushayo 1, shayo 2 sebeyavala phana. Akaphuma uphuma with one of these boys bakhe ama-ice boy. Angene emotweni mabastart imoto nami ngistart yami. Ngibalandele. Bumper to bumper. I think silandelane for an hour around nje lapha leya ndawo. La emotweni ngiphethe umncamelo, ngiphethe ingubo, ngiphethe enye ingubo a nice dress because uhambe endlini wathi uya ku-unveiling. So bengizoyena kuleyo unveiling hamba naye. Angimenyiwe but makumenyiwe wena nami ngiyaye. Yeah. So ngiphethe ingubo yokulala, umncamelo ileyo ngubo, luckily laptop yami asemsebenzini iste emotweni and my access card. Ngabalandela for an hour I think. Then wafonela ama-security ukuthi nayimoto elandela. So ama-security angimisa athi sisi sizokuthiwa ulandela abantu ngithi baphi bona. Lo sisi ujola nendoda yami ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uhlala kuphi. Labo bhuti bathi kanti ke phezu kwakhe sisi salandelana sala. Lo angithi kade elahlekile ube sanonyamalala esikhaleni because udriver i-Range Rover. And then masima kwi-stop sign esinye wabesana waqhamuka from nowhere. So imoto kamamncane ngala eyami phakathi nendawo yakhe. Wavula ifastera ngathi nje kube ngizoke ngilivule. Ongalivula wathi uyaphi ngathi ngiyahamba nje emhlabeni kaJehova. I'm just driving. So kusho bafonelana ukuthi hayi iyane police station ngoba uyazi ukuthi lo sisi akathathi kahle ekhanda uzokhoza idrama enye. Futhi lo ntombazane emncane nayo sekathukile. Badrive by police station, bafika police station, lo mfana ehle kuqala u-ice boy intombazane avala amafastera. Ngihle mina ngimlandele ngifike ngidumedise police station tumelanga lekhaya ngikuba toilet. Lo bhuti asho ukuthi I know there's a ekhaya esilandelayo, brothers umile ngaphandle. There's a ekhaya esilandelayo, she's been following us. This lady ongenela toilet. Ngihle mina futhi ngiphethe icopy ngibuyele emotweni. Bathi sorry sisi ulandela labantu ngiphume ngibuye ne-ID yami. Ngithi mina ngicela ningicertify. Bathi hawu labantu laba bazocomplaina ngawo ukuthi wena you've been driving behind them. You are following them. Mina ngiyabafollowisha. Ngithi can you see the number plate yemoto yami? Imoto yami yaseJoburg. Mina ngize la for an interview la enkampanini enkulu le ephehla umhlakasi. I don't know ukuthi ngilandela abantu. Olokutheni mina ngifunana ne-police station yokucertifya. Ngiyabonga ukuthi sebangilidelela ngizo-certifya mina naye ne-access card yami ukubonisa ukuthi ngisebenza la. I don't know what they're talking about. That's when ke afika-ke u-brothers ukuthi yeah, you are following people. Hey, you don't do that. Azi ukuthi
Your
abantu
own husband.
Yebo. Hayi futhi-ke bengayiqali-ke leyo ukuthi nje makuthiwa ubanjwe nomuntu uzojikela mina uzoba esayidini lalowo muntu.
Mara indoda enjani yenza le nto leyo
Bekukhala
Sani?
omunye ubaba oyiphoyisa laphaya. And I don't believe this guy.
Hayi, lo
I
guy
don't
unamanga
believe-
Shem.
And I don't believe this guy ukuthi you can do that to your wife.
But who?
Ngenxa ye-girlfriend.
Hayibo,
Hayi-ke lapho beka leyo nje bekuyinto zakhe.
waze wasihlaza Shem
Yeah,
ubhuti.
bekuyinto zakhe ukuthi nje makuthiwa ngixabana ne-girlfriend or uzobaleka nayo uzoprotecta yona then. Yeah.
Lapha e-police station kwayenzakalani ke?
And the police station wathi basayinisa something ukuthi there was an incident enje, and then yeah, I was like okay sayine, and then maqedla bathi sihambisele ngithi endlini ngoba nami hayi kahle wena uzolala la emotweni mina. Ngalala emotweni, then the following day I drove back.
Just listen to that. Okay, so I think, okay, let me not think. So yena zange yeza abuye Joburg. Did he not come back? Did he not follow you back home?
No.
So
he
wabuya
did
kanjani ekhaya? What happened?
Ubuye
Days after.
days after, but nakhona I can't recall, but ubuye nje eseyinto ezoblame mina ukuthi mina ngithanda umntwana wakhe because besihlala nomntwana. Ngithi mana, indaba yokuthi wena uyajola ngikubambe laphaya eLimpopo nentombazane wabaleka naye waze wayiprotecta ingena kanjani kuleyo ukuthi ingane yakhe angiyithandi. Nakhona futhi ihlayelani nami.
Uphuma wayo.
Ukhona uma wayo. Futhi nakhona that was not the truth, because that child shem wayefuna uku-escape impilo ayiphila noma wakhe because bekuse endaweni esemakhaya and bekahlala nami 1 year makuvalwe ikole ngithi kodwa uye ekhaya angafuni if ngiye ekhaya KZN, and then he will go with me. Ngiri okay, leyo ukuthi wena uyajola ihlangana kanjani nokuthi angithanda ingane? And then I think that's when he came, and then there was a funeral in Lesotho. One of usiso sebenza kabhuti wami bekashonile. Then we went to Lesotho. When I came back, umuntu bathu qoqile impahla zakhe uhambile. That was it.
Just like that.
That was it.
Did you guys talk about it?
No, well, lapha bekungakhulunywa lutho. And I only realized that in 2018 ukuthi nothing addresswayo kuvesane kube sithi sikhuluma ngotshani umuntu avesana afaka imoto, sithi sikhuluma ngemoto umuntu afaka iTV. So nothing was being addressed. Yeah, so asikhuluma ngalutho even namhlanje azange sikhulume lutho. Sakhuluma nje in January mase kuvulwa ikole ukuthi mangibuza ukuthi nasi ikole siyavula phela abantwana ke khamba kanjani financially, siyenza kanjani? And then he said no, indaba zama finances wami is none of your business. Futhi kahle kahle mina ngifuna sibe kwi separation. Ngathi I was like nami kodwa bengicabanga ukuthi separation izosilungela. Ke uhambe uyosicabanga ukuthi kahle kahle ngempela ufunani, and nami ke ngizicabange. That was it.
This 2023.
Yes. That January 2024. So nje that was it. Ukuthi separation nakhona separation ekhulunywa efonini. And then he came back azochazela ingane ukuthi guys ngihambile angisezohlala nani, impilo izoshintsha because uma wenu uyahlanya and uma wenu ne depression uphuza amaphilisi. So I'm no longer gonna stay with you because uma wenu uyangihlupha njengoba egule ne-depression nje uyahlanya.
I-depression asikuhlanya. Let's just put it out there.
Yes.
I-depression asikuhlanya.
But again, mina for my it's my coping mechanism. I always say that ukuthi I'll say ngiyahlanya, so that when you say it doesn't get to me. Sengisho uqala vele ukuthi when you are saying depression ukuhlanya, okay, ngiyahlanya ke. So
what? What's next?
Yeah, but depression is not ukuhlanya. Like you said, let's put it out there. Abantu bangaze babe nesithombe esinye. When you're depressed, you are depressed is because une-stress, kunezinto ezingahambi kahle.
You are going through a lot.
You are going through a lot, but i-depression akusihlanya. And i-depression, most of women sinayo, nami nginayo. Mawubheka nje wena ungasho ukuthi ngine-depression.
Never. Such a beautiful
Hayi ngineqhoma eziphinki, ngimuhle kanje. So, yeah.
Yeah, and it's definitely not being sick. You know, when you are depressed, you just need a way to deal with whatever that you are facing. Ngaleso sikhathi, ngaleyo season. And there's doctors that are there
also get
can help you.
Treatment.
Yes, you know. So, yeah.
And life goes on. You are back, you are fine. Like me, now I'm raising 4 kids alone. Who thinks so? Mama is the amazing person. And as time goes, babona ukuthi yo kanti this guy unje. Yeah, because a lot happened after that. I took him to court because bengasasupport abantwana. We had to downgrade. Moving from the house to a flat, from the flat to another house where we were kicked out, and then now to a place where we stay, and we live from hand to mouth. It can only be God, because akasupport abantwana. And emva kokuhlukana kwethu kwaba everything went kwaphela konke into a point where akanayo nje akasana moto akana mali akana and then now he goes around and say ngimloyile. Hayi bo.
Yeah, no, God works like that, Saneli, you know. God blesses you because of your wife.
Yes.
And for the fact that he always said, please pray, I'm going to what.
Yes.
So it shows how much God was listening to your prayers.
Yes.
So he's not going to be a coward and leave you and dump you and expect to life even normal. No. It doesn't work like that. But now, quick question, are you healed?
I'm very fine. I am healed, because I'm doing so much for myself. I am realizing ukuthi kahle lento yazi bengayenza even if ngingedwa, as much as he is needed by the kids, because nabo makahlukana nami nabo he dumped them. Abakaze almost 2 years bengamboni, and it gets to them, but yeah, we are fine. I am healed ngempela, because ngiyezwa noma ngikhuluma ngayo noma ngikhuluma naye, I'm not angry, I'm just fine.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And I always say ukuthi abanye bahlala bathi unamanga wena bomthanda kanje mangabuya ningabuyelana. And I used to say previously, hayi kuyofanele uthaqale phansi angishele, but now I am certain ukuthi no, I'll never put myself through that again. Yes.
Okay. I'm glad you're healed.
Yes.
I'm glad for sharing your story with us, because one thing for sure, there's a lot of women, a lot of us that are relating to your story.
Yeah.
I, for one, I related a lot nestori sakho.
Yeah.
Hence, I even said, yo, Sani, come izangapho uzositshela amaqiniso wakho, because I know that as women, we do relate nestori leso sikhulumayo.
Yeah.
So to my people at home, what can you advise them quickly? Ukuthi, if they find themselves going through this multiple cheating, what would you say to the woman at home? Umama osekhaya.
Mina kwangisiza ukuthi you find yourself, you ubuyele, because i-depression umoya wokungcola, ukufuna la uzohlala khona endaweni engcolile, la kuzoba mnyama khona, la uzohlala khona wedwa, la ufila helpless, ufila useless, ufila umubi, nje there's nothing oyiyo. I'll say find yourself, vuka ugeze, take one day at a time. Find a hobby oyithandayo ukuthi what is it that you like, because mina at that journey yango 2018 yangenza nga it was also during the COVID 2020 nga enrolla with the culinary school Capsicum to study to be a chef. Wow. Which I am now, and working for the big company in South Africa. And yeah, find yourself, uvuka ugeze, ungabonisa abantu ukuthi uyagowa. I like saying yakashwa omunye umsakazi umhlobo wenene noMondeva Kalisa athi fanele mangabuphuma abantu bathi bezazi indaba zakho, babuke wena, babheke lezi ndaba, bathole zingadibani,
unga-correspond.
Yeah, bathole zingadibani ukuthi how. Yeah, so these things ziyenzeka, ungazibulali. Find help, find somebody omthembayo, disclose, khuluma ngalento. Because most of women, makwenzeka lento, you blame yourself, you think or you are the reason, they feel ashamed. That's what I've realized, ukuthi most of women in 2026, we are all going through the same thing, but we are all in our corners.
We are ashamed to talk about it.
We are ashamed to talk about it.
So we should talk about it. We should
talk about it. Find somebody omthembayo. Find a clinical psychologist. Find uthandaze ke, ngiyazi ukuthi isikhathi ezinye izinto mazenzeka kanje you can't even pray, you just sit there, but uNkulunkulu ubona inhliziyo yakho. And that mean at that time yangenza ngaba in another level noNkulunkulu, nokuthemba uNkulunkulu, ukwazi ukuthi nje nothing is impossible with God. I can do everything through Christ who strengthened me. And nabantwana nakho si right, siphila kahle, abantwana bayafunda bonke basesikoleni, even though zikhona lawo ma challenges, but nje ku right. Yeah.
Amen. And with that being said, I'm a clinical psychologist, your psychologist, whatever the case, akhona nakuma public hospital, right?
Yes.
So you don't have to stress yourself and want to go private.
Yes.
Akhona ibhedlela nasemakliniki zasekhaya,
yes.
Government hospitals. As long as you see that you are not okay mentally, sister, tell the sister, explain your case, and they will definitely do help you.
Yes.
Last words, Ekaya, Sane?
To all the women out there, like I've said, find something to do. Manje ziningi izinto ezenziwa kuyathengiswa. Find something to do. Ungabi fully dependent on a man, because that's also bayithatha advantage ngalokho. Uthole most of women they baze bafela emishadweni nabasebeyibona ukuthi ayikho, because the person is a breadwinner. Find something to do, noma ngabe incane kanjani, but you must have something nawe ozothi mawubona ukuthi sekubheda ngempela, ungaze ube severe depression uze ugcina ushona, because mawune depression ungagcina ushona ngempela. Ushiya abantwana bakho with this person okubonisile ukuthi akanandaba nawe. Because umuntu onganandaba nawe akanandaba with the well-being of the kids, because ingane sihlala nawe. So find something to do, find hobbies, find other women, ukhulume ngalezinto. Let's not suffer alone in silos, in silence, because all of us, mina nje on my page, people, they come into my inbox saying, yo Saneli, all the time mangenze a live video, people will say, yo Saneli namhlanje ngathi bo khuluma nami. So you realize ukuthi there are so many people who are going through the same thing, but they don't have a safe space. So as women, we must all sibe nama gatherings angeke angazosifundisa manje ukuthi indoda iyagoqelwa ufaka i-tray uyenzani, azosifundisa manje ukuthi how to take care of ourselves, how to take care of our mental health, how to take care of our kids, ways of making money. Not lokuthi ubaba kufanele umgoqele ebusuku uma kakuthinta ungathi hayi awukwadi ukusuka ekhanda kuyophuma ngenyawo. Sesizwile sesikwenzile lokho, bashiya sesikwenza konke, sesima ngamakhanda sesiyenzani. So now we need conferences or seminars ezisitshela ukuthi where to get help uma ufila depressed, how to make money, how to
empower ourselves.
Empowered, yes.
As women.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to finish the sentence for me. After everything you went through, what have you learned? After everything that you went through, after the cheating, after the mental health, after him being gone without even saying a word, and after you taking care of the kids, after every full cycle that you went through, as Usanele Wakakumede, what have you learned?
I've learned ukuthi in every situation, uNkulunkulu akufaka kuyo, because I believe so much ukuthi uNkulunkulu akakulingi something that you cannot handle. You must always trust God. As painful as it is sometimes, uyayibona kahle ukuthi indlela ayikho, there is always a way. And I don't want to say ungamthembi umuntu, because abantu abafani, and I don't want to put a blanket approach to other people, and ngize ngisabisa abantu ukuthi hey ningawathembi amadoda anje because eyami eyabanjalo. So I don't want to say that, but nje after everything that I've went through is that you must have a support system in place. You must have you must be somebody who's got a belief system, because that also helps a lot. Ukuthi every day uyavuka, this is a new day, siqala kabusha, and there is something that is going to be positive on this day. You take each day at a time. Don't be too hard on yourself, and love yourself, love your kids, and yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Tando Sami. Bakuthola kuphi abantu bamekhaya? Where did I find you? Ngibona lapha eTratenze TikTok, you are very scarce. Go Facebook, bakuthola kuphi? What's your handle?
Facebook, ipage lami is called Amaqiniso Ami, Awami Ngedwa, and nizongibona nje ngifake iphinifa eli pink, and then on another picture ngigqoke ingubo pinky, it's called Amaqiniso Ami Ngedwa. And then on TikTok ngisamsaba ke ngiya nje, but nalapho futhi they can get the stories and the journey of my life, because I've made series on TikTok. It's called Amaqiniso Ami on TikTok.
On TikTok, okay.
Labo abapreseke kakhulu, I also take ama numbers for people who say, Sisanele, I don't know what to do. I feel like ngathi ngazibulala. I feel helpless. I also give my number out there, because I also believe ukuthi this is the ministry that ngempela God has called me to do. So in number yami, you can send me a WhatsApp, and at 078 637 1444. 078 637 1444. Ubhale nje WhatsApp yakho or message yakho. I do not promise ukuthi ngizokuphendula same time, because like I said, I'm a single mother of 4 kids, but eventually ngizokuphendula, and then ngicathulise ukuthi okay makunje enza kanje, makunje ungenza kanje.
Thank you, Sanele. Thank you for your time, Mama, and thank you so much for everything. Mndeni wami, it is possible. Nangu Sanele in front of us. She has made it through thick and thin, because of, she said, Begano Jehovah in place, and she managed to get through with all. Okay, a lot of people do ask me ukuthi ngishutela Good Life Studios. Ubhuti Bobo uzabeka ama number so that you can come and start your own thing. We are all welcome in the studio. Kumnandi, siyakhuleka, siyahleka. It's just a happy home. Mndeni wami, please do continue the conversation down below. And please subscribe, please share, please help me to grow this community because of we do want to heal. At the end of the day, the emphasis is on healing. See you very, very soon. Do you hear it?
Together we can do better. This is our lives. We better together. Let's heal. With God on our side, we shall win. Let's heal. Love conquers all.